When it comes to attending a special event, the journey should be just as memorable as the destination. At Aurum Transfers, we offer premium event transfer services that redefine convenience and luxury. Whether it's a wedding, a corporate event, a concert, or any occasion that deserves a touch of class, we ensure that you arrive in style, on time, and stress-free. At Aurum Transfers, we understand that timeliness and comfort are everything when it comes to events. Our VIP service offers professional chauffeurs with a personal touch, ready to accommodate your every need. Luxurious vehicles that make your ride part of the experience, whether it's a sedan, SUV, or a larger group transfer. Seamless transfers to ensure you arrive at your event with no delays, prepared to shine. We take pride in providing a stress-free journey. Relax and enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and refreshments while we handle the road. Whether you're heading to an intimate gathering or a grand celebration, we provide the perfect ride that reflects your event's importance. From the moment you book to your grand arrival, our team at Aurum Transfers takes care of every detail, ensuring you are treated like a VIP at every step. For your next event, let Aurum Transfers handle your transportation needs so you can focus on making memories that last a lifetime. Book your event transfer today at aurumtransfers.com and experience the best in luxury transport.